The trill in the United States, and God knows how many elsewhere, experts believe Nigeria could be a medical destination country with their collaboration.
Like telecom and power, it's as if when we fool around onto something almost breaks down completely. And then the solution that we embrace is greater involvement of the private sector. I think that's going to happen as well in healthcare.
Many of you here, because of your Nigerian background, still think Nigeria. But I can't say the same thing of your children, who are far more detached. And if we lose this bracket, I think it's going to be phenomenally more difficult for medical rebirth in Nigeria.
For many of the doctors abroad, the change can only start with a political will.
Healthcare is actually supposed to be a responsibility of government. And if government cannot do it, private sector can contribute. But it must not be taken away from government because that is their responsibility.
There are a lot of things that the government needs to do. The government has to really realize that providing healthcare is not only a social service, but it's also an economic activity.
After all said and done, there is a consensus here. And that is the fact that it will take a lot more than mere words to get the private sector or Nigerian professionals in diaspora more involved in the improvement of the Nigerian healthcare sector or any sector for that matter. Again, it boils down to the right policies and enabling environments, the right frameworks for the private sector to thrive and be more involved. Doris Okenwa, reporting for Channels Television News from Charlotte, North Carolina.
When we come back after the break on News Track, the Abia State Judiciary gets a brand new complex. That's in a moment. Please join us again.
Come and see, waiting, come and they do it. Now why for quality wire, cables where they can play, brother and sister, I beg, where una they come and one light of your life. Come and hey, for quality wire where they can go, cables of any kind of project, come and one light of your life. Oh yeah, light up your life, light up your house, light up your life. Hey, come and one light of your life. Now come and be the Baba.
For Coleman Wire and the Cables, we dey produce better electrical wire and cable for all building projects them. And for oil and gas industry, all our cable and wire get local and international certificate. And all are made in Nigeria. Hey, no buy Baruf cable and wire. Make you ask any wire and cable dealer where they near you for Coleman. Coleman Wire and the Cable, the world's power pipeline.
These people don't come. Follow them.
These days, you just dey browse anyhow on top your phone.
Yes, nah. Should I don't tell you make you get easy starter? Say as I dey browse for free.
Now Solo no dey the cut so, but Solo no dey own now.
Make I call Solo tell her. But you no get credit now.
How you want to call me?
Solo dey my you and me number. I fit call am for free.
So you don't come out with that?
No, with the free 300 naira where you and me they give me. Now I fit call 2 numbers free.
They won't cut your line so.
Okay, I dey come now. You see as easy starter don't make my life silence. Now I dey go all network for 10 kobo per second. And as I load that 300 naira, I dey get free credit, free browsing, and people they call me for free. Try easy starter now, Baba.
Etisalat, now you're talking. Can you imagine a brave hero among these young ones? In 5 editions of the Indomie Independence Day Awards for Heroes of Nigeria, we have honored a total of 15 extraordinary young stars. In 2013, Indomie Noodles intends to honor another 3 Heroes of Nigeria. Could your child or a child you know be one of them? To participate, send your entry to our website www.heroesofnigeria.com or email us at nominations@heroesofnigeria.com or call these numbers 0814-268-8780. The nominated child must be a native of Nigeria, 15 years and below. Entry closes by 30th of August 2013. The Indomie Independence Day Award for Heroes of Nigeria, building a legacy of heroism.
Welcome back, and remember that all our top stories and other programs are on our website. It's channelstv.com and on youtube.com/channelsweb. If you're on the go, visit us at m.channelstv.com to view us live on an iPad, an iPhone, or a BlackBerry. You can also download the Channels TV app for Android and Nokia 920 devices from the respective stores. Education now. The Academic Staff Union of Polytechnics has been agitating for a constitution of governing councils, a national commission for polytechnics, monotechnics and colleges of technology. At the 74th National Executive Council meeting in Anambra State, the union vowed to continue with the ongoing industrial action, which has been on nationwide for almost 2 months. A union's national president, Mr. Chibuzo Asomoga, insists that the federal government must implement the agreement reached with them in 2010. Meanwhile, citizens or senior citizens and intending retirees can look forward to an enjoyable life after retirement because of the Committee of Wives of Lagos State officials who have now built a new haven for Lagos retirees called Retirement Villa, located at Lekki Phase 2, where they can relax devoid of the hustle and bustle of the metropolis. At the commissioning of the retirement resort, Governor Babatunde Fashola explained that the vision to build the villa originated from his love for the elderly and the desire to find a suitable place of relaxation for them.
To dedicate and to commemorate a building. I think underlying what we dedicate and commemorate today is a greater cause, an idea. The idea that gave birth to this building. An idea rooted in the minds and in the hearts of the very first lady that Lagos had when she became a state, Mrs. Obafemilayo Johnson. An idea to take charge while taking care. An idea that is now represented by the word council. I think that idea is the idea we gather to celebrate. Inherent in that idea is also the idea that we can serve without holding office. And that is the strong message that this building represents.
Lagos State Governor Babatunde Fashola, or President Goodluck Jonathan, today commissioned a comprehensive cottage hospital in Otueke, Ogbia local government area of Bayelsa State. Addressing the gathering, the president restated the commitment of his administration in attaining the health aspect of the Millennium Development Goals, which he says is crucial to the nation's development.
I recall that the construction of this model hospital began in 2006 as an initiative of the Bayelsa state government. It was later taken over by the Millennium Development Goals, the MDG office, also with the collaboration with the Bayelsa state government. It is most gratifying to come back and witness not only its completion, but its formal commissioning today. Attainment of universal health coverage and the provision of comprehensive health care for all our citizens is a goal we have set for ourselves. Today's commissioning event, therefore, not only underscores this commitment, but also represents yet another milestone in our drive towards actualizing the health-related goals of the MDGs.
President Goodluck Jonathan there in Bayelsa State. The Abia State Judiciary can now boast of decent office accommodation and conducive working environments with the opening of a new judiciary administrative complex in Umuahia, the state capital. At the commissioning of the complex, Governor Theodore Orji restated his administration's commitment to ensuring that those charged with justice delivery are provided with the resources to perform their duties.
This complex